In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar 2025, step by step. Let's start by opening your calendar. In Outlook, click the calendar icon in the navigation pane on the left. Use the view controls to switch between day, work week, week, or month, either from the drop-down or the tabs on the right side. If you ever scroll away from the current date, the Today button snaps you right back, which is handy when you're planning ahead and want to reorient quickly. Now, let's add events. An appointment is something just for you, like focused work or a doctor's visit. On the Home tab, select New Appointment and fill in the details. You can also click directly on a time slot in your calendar and start typing to create it even faster. A meeting involves other people. Choose New Meeting or New Event. Give it a clear title, add a location, and set the start and end times. Click Invite Attendees and enter names. Outlook will help you find a time when everyone's free. If your team uses Microsoft Teams, turn on the Teams meeting option to include a join link automatically. When everything looks right, press Send to deliver the invitation. If this event repeats, open the Don't Repeat dropdown and choose the pattern that fits your schedule. Next, manage what you've created. Open any appointment or meeting to set a reminder from the list and choose None if you don't want one. Use categories to color code events so you can spot priorities and projects at a glance. If you want to separate work streams, right-click My Calendars on the left, select Add Calendar, name it, and click OK. You can also add calendars from people in your organization to view their availability alongside yours, either side by side or overlaid to compare conflicts quickly. When you're ready to share your own calendar, go to the Home tab and select Share Calendar. Enter the person's name or email, then choose the permissions you want to grant, such as Can View All Details. This helps teammates plan with you without sending back and forth messages. Finally, tailor the experience. Click the Settings gear, then view all Outlook options, and choose Calendar to fine-tune appearance and behavior. From the main settings menu, you can also adjust language and other general preferences so the calendar looks and works the way you like. That's it. With views, quick event creation, smart scheduling, sharing, and a few custom tweaks, Outlook Calendar becomes a reliable command center for your time. Pause as needed, follow along in your own calendar, and you'll be organized in minutes.